Good morning, everybody. We're here at Innovative Car Sound. This is a how-to video on a 2014 Ford Econoline E150. We're going to take out the sealed headlights and replace them with an aftermarket set and replace the bulb with an LED bulb. Now these guys here are sealed. We already took one off on the passenger side so that I can show you what I'm talking about. There's no way to remove the bulb. Okay, it's a sealed headlamp. So when you go with an aftermarket set, and I've got them right over here. The aftermarket set allows you to remove the bulb. It comes with an H4 bulb. You unclip it and the bulb comes right out. There you go. And we're going to replace it with an LED kit. This is what it looks like. It's plug and play. There's no cutting, no splicing involved. Now we're not going to do any editing in this video, so we're going live. And I'm going to go through the steps on what to do. You're going to remove a 7mm screw from right up here. And then right underneath, you have an 8mm here in this corner. And then you've got another one right over here. Once you do that, you pull this bezel off. And I already have it loose on the side. So here down at the bottom, those are the two 8mm that I was talking about. You pull this off, then it'll have these two bulbs attached. All you do is do a half turn counterclockwise, and it will detach them from these two spots. Once that comes off, then the next part is the main headlight. You remove these two Phillips and you remove that one there and this guy on this side. Then this chrome trim piece will come off, and at that point the actual headlight is completely loose, and you remove it and put everything back together in the opposite direction. I have that one plugged in, so we're going to go ahead and turn them on so that you can see the difference. There is the yellow halogen, and then we have the LED kit on this side. So that's it for today's video. It's a 2014 Ford Econoline E150, and this is a how-to on how to replace the sealed headlamp with an aftermarket set and installing an LED kit. This one's all set. We just need to replace this other side, and we'll continue making more videos showing you how to do installations on vehicles. This is Innovative Car Sound and Security. We are located in Dallas, Texas, and we'll see you guys on the next one.